Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up some more of these Legos. These are the stunt bikes. They're the friction bikes you pull back and let go and they go off. Maybe you saw the previous video we did on 3 others of these, but we got 3 more here. This first one is called 60333 Bathtub Stunt Bike. That sounds interesting. This one is called 60331 Touring Stunt Bike. This one is 60332 Reckless Scorpion Stunt Bike. Okay, we're going to open these up, show you how they work. Alright, let's open this up and see what we can do with it here. Okay. I don't like tearing boxes up, so we'll cut this open right there like that. Here's your instruction sheet. I say sheet because that's all it is for these, okay? Alright, let's see what we can do here. We need to take these out. Okay, there's all that. First thing we need to do is put this tire together, okay? And it goes on front fork right there. Just like that, okay. Then the bathtub fits on here. Through here like this. Okay. We got the handlebar. Fits in right there. We got the bathtub stuff. It's the faucet and all fits right there. Alright. We got the rubber ducky. He goes on the front. Like so. And we get to put this guy together. So let's see what we can do here. There's his feet. Put him together like that. There's his head. He's got hair. You can use hair. Like so. Or you can use the helmet. I think we're going to use the helmet. Him being a motorcyclist, he might need that helmet. I don't know about the bathtub, but he might need it. So, looks like we forgot to put the towel over him here, his life jacket for his head. Put the life jacket on right there. Then his head goes on right there. Little smiley face. Put his helmet on right there. He fits down in there like that. Put his hands up on it like that, and you pull him back, and there you go. You give it a little charge like that, and yeah. Alright, well there's your first one. Okay. What's the next one here? This is called Touring Stunt Bike 60331. Let's see if we can get this one open here. Well, not much we can do there but tear the box up. Okay, there he is, see? Cut open his parts here. Get him out of there. Come out of there, there we go. Here's your instruction sheet. Once again, it's just a sheet. See here? Right there, alright. start off with, we need the wheel. There's the tire and the rim. Goes in right there and it fits in the front spokes right there like that. Okay, got that on. Then your motorcycle body goes on him right here. Just like that. Okay. Handlebar fits right here in the top. Up. If I can get it down in there. There it goes. His head rolled off. Okay. Now let's see what we got here. I think we put him together now. There's his feet. There's his body. He's got a, looks like a mustache. Alright, put him on right there like so. There's his beard, looks like. He's got a helmet too, like that. He goes on right there. Put his hands up on it. Give him a little charge. Yeah, alright. Looks like a Harley there he's riding. Alright, let's give him another charge. Alright, there's your second one. We got one more here. This one is 60332 Reckless Scorpion. Alright, see him? Reckless Scorpion. Alright. I hate tearing those boxes up. Sometimes you can't help it. Okay. Trash off the table here. Here's your instruction sheet again. Just one little sheet, see it? Alright. Get him open here if we can. Alright. Cut his parts package open here like so. Alright. We need the tire and the rim. They go together right there. Fits on the spoke on the front of the bike right there. So it'll roll, okay. The body goes on right there. Okay. Handlebar fits down in there just like the other one did. Okay. Alright. This one's got a scorpion on the back here. Alright. Put him right there. Alright, let's see if we can build the little guy now. There's his feet. There's his body. The head rolls off. Okay. Here's a green collar, goes on right here. Sit up there, head, and stand still. Okay. Then his head goes on. If I can hang on to him. Right there. There's the head. He's got hair he can have right here. You can hold that scorpion if you want to, but he's on the motorcycle right now. So I think what we're going to do is build his helmet up here. The helmet has horns on it. Look here. Alright, the horns fit right in there just like this. There's his horns. Take the hair off. Put the helmet on because he might need it on that motorcycle. Okay. Put him on the motorcycle. Put his arms up here like this. Put him right down in there. Slips on. Grabs a hold of the handlebar. He's ready to go. He's got, you can put a mask on him there, goggles on him, but I'm not going to do that. He's just going to ride right now, okay? Give him a little charge. There he goes. The scorpion. Alright, well you see all three of them here. There's the bathtub. I like that bathtub. Alright. We'll get them all going here in just a minute and show you how good they are, okay? Let's give them a little run here. What do you say? 1, 2, 3. See if we can get them all going here at the same time. What do you say? Whoa! Blue one didn't get going too fast, but there he is. We want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. We got a lot more of these up under the playlist called Legos. And check out the description below. I have a link to Amazon. They have a lot of Legos up there. Go check them out. And we'll see you next time.